found your home at Treasure's Nest.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. I'm sorry if I'm a little bit down. I'm just a little tired. I just finished seeing my doctor. We had a membrane sweep. I'm sorry guys. We had a membrane sweep. I'm 2 centimeters dilated and I am 38 weeks. I am really tired. Like, I'm at that point in my pregnancy where I'm like, get this baby out of me, because anytime I come to the doctors, they're like, Treasure, you're still pregnant. I'm like, I know. I'm still pregnant. But hopefully this sweep works. I'm already 2 centimeters. I had a lot of contractions yesterday, but they were wide apart, so I didn't bother going to the hospital. But at this moment, I'm just fingers crossed that this baby comes this week or hopefully next week. So yeah, my husband just went into this place. I don't know, he went in to collect some stuffs. After that, we're going to head to go and eat because I'm starving. I'm hungry. I wasn't able to eat breakfast. This appointment was quite early, so I had to drop off the kids at the daycare and then hurried back for this appointment. But I am starving, so I'm going to find something I'm gonna eat and I'll pick up the vlog when I get to the restaurant. I hope you're having a lovely day.
Oh, baby, out to let, Otutu ienga feel much. Imarujuru mani chobutara. From courtroom to construction, sitting now we build dreams and sleep in the light. I see love when I look in your face. No more guy, they carry your grace. 7 years and you still they glow. Treasure man, you they make me whole. Oh be, oh be my heart forever with you. I know go back, you they shine like light, you they hold me tight. Now you be my blessing every day and night. Oh be you with the truth, engineer and lawyer. Now we build the roof, now real estate, now love estate now. You they make my whole world great.
Our food is here. It's actually lovely. Why? This looks really yummy. I'm having the oven roast chicken. I think it has rice and then the garlic shrimp and some. I think it has. What are you having? What are you having?
Lunch.
Steak, mashed potatoes, I guess, and some salads on the side. But this looks good. Let's eat.
Brains and beauty, class and fire up. Boogie Joe, you build my empire. Law degree, still you the smell soft. No na closings and contracts we talk of no more kain. Then be joyful ground. And your love, you they hold me down. We they grow, we they glow. No shaking or go slow. From apartment showings to land deals, still you be the one we give me chills. Oh be, with you. I know go back, you they shine like light, you they hold me tight. Now you be my blessing every day and night. Oh be, you be the truth every day and the lawyer. Now we build a roof, now real estate, now love estate now. You they make my whole world great. Oh be, treasure, you be my peace, you be my gem. You they build me up, you they light my way. I'll go love you to my final day. Oh be, you be my gift, you lift me up whenever I drift. 7 years and I still the toast to the woman way I love the most.
Started out with dreams and degrees in hand. Wore your crown like only a queen can.
and blueprints, side by side. Now we're raising homes and little lives. Got my peace in the rush, my calm in the storm. With you, this life feels like so much more. From the courtrooms to closings, hand in hand, we built a future, not just a plan. We're built to last, like stone and steel. A love so real, I feel it still. Through every high, through every test, you've always given me your best. We turned our house into a home, two little hearts, we watched them grow. Treasure your mind now and past, but more than that, we're built to last. Late nights, long drives, open doors, laughing through contracts, dreaming of more. You make the deals, I draw the lines. Together we make both money and time. Our kids call you hero, and so do I. You're the lawyer who fights, and the soft lullaby. In a world full of change, you've been my stay. My partner, my queen, my forever babe. We're built to last, like stone and steel. A love so real, I feel it still. Through every high, through every test, you've always given me your best. We turned our house into a home, two little hearts, we watched them grow. Treasure your mind now and past, but more than that, we're built to last. We're built to last, like stone and steel. A love so real, I feel it still. Through every high, through every test, you've always given me your best. We turned our house into a home, two little hearts, we watched them grow. Treasure your mind now and past, but more than that, we're built to last. Long drives, open doors, laughing through contracts, dreaming of more. You make the deals, I draw the lines. Together we make both money and time. Our kids call you hero, and so do I. You're the lawyer who fights, and the soft lullaby. We're built to last.
I never knew the sky could feel this wide, till I saw the world reflected in your eyes. Every step I took was leading me to you. Now the night feels brighter, the stars shine true. And I don't need answers, I don't need the signs. Every heartbeat tells me you are mine. Hold me closer than forever. Let the moment never fade. Love's a fire we'll remember, burning brighter every day. With you I found my only treasure. Nothing else I'd rather do. Closer than forever. I'm home when I'm with you. Every dream I chased just disappeared when your voice became the song I need to hear. Even silence speaks when you are near. It's the sweetest truth, it's crystal clear. I don't need the sunlight, I don't need the rain. Every road I travel calls your name. Hold me closer than forever. Let the moment never fade. Love's a fire.
Our food is almost ready, but finally I'm going to be adding, oh, it's pouring away, sorry. I'm going to be adding kale just to give it a little vegetable to the food. Yeah, I'll just be adding kale at the moment.
Will remember, burning brighter every day. With you I found my only treasure. Nothing else I'd rather do. Closer than
it's ready. It is ready for everyone to eat. Yeah, that's good enough. Turn off the heat. Okay. Just gonna serve everyone. Look at that. So I'll be trying it out. This is so refreshing. It's so fresh. You have fish, you have kale, you have plantain, and I will be pairing it with this scones. This is so good. So good. So good. I'll see you guys later. So I will be closing the vlog here. Everyone has had their dinner. The kids are having their shower with grandma, and I'm really exhausted. It's been a long day. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.